kondisyon niya.
Good day. We are about to begin our video coverage on how Harvey works at his present condition. We are now turning the power on. You will notice that the red light is on. "30 seconds warming up is needed to start up and stabilize. After which, we will dial the disease code number. And the white light will start blinking. We are now pressing the white button to call up the disease. Normally, the white light will be off to call up the disease. But the white light is still blinking, which means that the disease did not responded. When we start up Harvey, you will see that some of the discs with optical encoder are rotating and others are not. These are rotating, these are not. Now, our question is, if it is possible that the optical encoder is the problem, or the disc which is not rotating, or the magnetic sensor.